Hi there, are you wondering how to conduct a workshop? Learning how to conduct a workshop is important for educators, business leaders, scientists, and other professionals. A successful workshop provides participants with new skills, information, and a sense of accomplishment. Firstly, preparing for the workshop. Define the workshop objective. 2. Decide who your audience is. Will the workshop participants know one another or are they strangers? 3. Schedule your workshop for the morning or early afternoon. These are the times when participants are most awake and alert. 4. Publicize your workshop. Pass around flyers, hang up posters. 5. Recruit 8 to 15 participants for your workshop. A workshop is not the same as a large lecture. 6. Prepare your participants for the workshop. Some workshops require that participants do work well before the workshop takes place. 7. Prioritize your goals for the workshop. Most workshops are time limited. 8. Prepare a variety of teaching aids. Adults learn in all kinds of ways: visually, orally, through hands-on practice, or any combination of the above. 9. Prepare paper handouts. Readings, case studies, lists of key terms, and quizzes are all possible teaching aids you might wish to prepare. 10. Arrange your audio-visual materials. If you plan to present a slideshow, video clips, or sound clips, you will have to prepare these ahead of time. 11. Recruit experts, speakers, and assistants. Depending on the topic and size of your workshop, you might want to bring in other team members to facilitate learning. 12. Decide on your group activities. Interaction amongst a group of participants sets a workshop apart from other ways of learning. 13. Leave time for breaks. People are more focused on tasks when they have the chance to take short breaks.